Yeah, hi everyone. So I'm in one of my cars and I'm just playing with this Orskey dash cam. It comes on a 3-inch screen, which is great. I'm trying to get you to see it. That's it. Okay. And also it comes with a rear camera, which is pretty cool. So I'm using a head camera here, so bear with me. Right, I want to make sure you can see my footage. Right, so if I do it like that, that's better. Right, so I can see what I'm doing. Right, so that's the actual unit. Let's start the car up. Okay, right. Seatbelt beeps. I do hate the things. Right, let's turn the music off as well. That's it. Let's get organised. Right, so the camera length for the rear camera, I'm really actually quite surprised. It's a very, very long lead. SD card needs formatting. Of course it needs formatting. It doesn't come with an SD card, so you've got to obviously format it. Does it meet your, is it okay? Is it formatted? Cancel. Don't know what it's doing there. Let's have a look. Let's go to the menu. If I go to the menu, which is on the side here, and then if I scroll down, formats, no card. There is a card in there. I don't know what it's saying, there's no card. So let's go on. There is a card. It's a bit weird, that is. Okay, because the card's there. That's where you put the SD card. So I've definitely got a card in. Anyway, so that's the back camera. Obviously, with these cameras, you've got in the right way. Like that's it. You can see me now, right? So that's the head cam, my glasses. So yeah, so that's the right way to have it. But I mean, this is 4K resolution. I think this is really a little bad boy. You've got some sticky pads to put it on the back of the car, so that's got to be sorted out later. But I think it's nice, and I've still got the film on there as well. But I think this is a really nice quality camera. I mean, that is really good footage. Right, so obviously on the settings, you're always going to have that if you're connected. Let's have a look at the manual. Right. Parking mode. Gravity sensor screen, language, audio, boots, motion. Right, so with this, obviously the date and everything, I haven't set that up either. Okay, let's come out of here. Go back. Right. Okay, so obviously with the rear camera, I mean, some people are going to not be happy, but to be honest, it doesn't matter, because when you're driving, I think it's important to know what's in front of you that's getting recorded. And I think also it's important to know what's actually at the back of you. Every car is different. This is going to, on this particular car, have to be fitted internally. It's too much aggro to get it on an external bumper or something, but it's not really an issue. I've just got to spend some time and sort it out. With the fitting onto the windscreen, now that is going to stick like that, and it moves. So that actually moves. Right, cancel this. This is going to drive me mad, this is. But never mind. But yeah, so this part here moves, and you've got sticky pads in the box. So these sticky pads will sit on there, and it's, again, just getting it in the right location. And they've also supplied this. That goes into the windscreen, so you can, again, connect it and take it off without marking the windscreen. But this will stick on the windscreen, and it'll peel off. So I think it's lovely. I'm really impressed with it. Excuse this mishap here, what's happening. But you've got instruction manual, guys, and the most important thing is being happy with the quality. And to me, the quality is great on this. Like I say, the front camera is great, and so is the back. Cancel. I don't know why it's cancel. That's it. SD card style format does not meet the requirements. Is it formatted? I don't know what it's doing. that's a separate video, I think, the memory card. I won't take it out while it's powered on. Let's have a look once more. No card. I don't know why it's telling me there's no card, because there is a card. Oh, okay, cancel. Okay, right. No, the card's obviously the wrong format. I'll have to get myself another card. It's not a real big issue anyway. But yeah, I think it's lovely. I think it's really good quality. I do like it, and you know, I think what's really nice is look how discreet this little thing is. So you could have it somewhere in your car like that, and obviously get your angle set up because it moves. So I mean, that's quite a good. Cancel that. That's it. If I take this camera section out as well for a sec to show you something. Right, if I do that, take that out, stick this back on, that's it. Right, that's it. But, so, stick it up like that. Oh, God. Right. I mean, that is a pretty decent view. But you've got to really get it into the right place where you are happy with the footage it's going to film. And that's it. I definitely recommend it. I think it's lovely. It's very discreet. Also, another little thing I'll point out is if you take the magnetic thing off here, right, you can plug her in this way over here. No, it's got to go this way. That's it. Right, so it'll go in that way as well. But if you have it that way, you can also power it that way, like that. Can you see? So you can actually have your fixing, and you can power it on there if you prefer. And what's nice is when you're leaving the car at night, if you don't want to leave the camera in, just detach. And then back in the morning, reattach. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I shall cut you off now. And like I say, it's a nice camera, good quality. I mean, you can see it through the phone here. It's not bad at all. Anyway, I'll put the Amazon link up. Thanks for watching my video, guys.